When building or upgrading a drone, most pilots focus on motors, ESCs, and batteries. But today, we'll talk about something often ignored: battery cables. Choosing the wrong wire gauge can reduce performance, shorten flight time, or even cause fires. Let's break it down clearly. Wire gauge directly affects how much current your drone can safely handle. Smaller OG number means thicker wire, lower resistance, less heat, and less voltage loss. Wrong cable choice doesn't just affect efficiency, it affects safety. This table shows the most commonly used wire gauges in FPV and UAV builds. For example, 12 OG is the gold standard for 5-inch FPV main power, while 16 OG is widely used for motor wires. Signal wires like UART or receiver power should never use thick power cables. Using a cable that's too thin is the most dangerous mistake. When the wire cannot handle the current, resistance increases, and heat builds up, and insulation can melt in seconds. The consequences include overheating and even battery fire. Severe voltage drop, reduced top speed and climb power, burned ESCs or motors. In extreme cases, a drone can be completely destroyed within seconds. On the other hand, bigger is not always better. Using cables that are far thicker than necessary brings new problems. Thick cables increase weight, reduce maneuverability, and make routing difficult inside tight frames. Over time, poor bending angles can even cause wire fracture due to vibration. Step diagram: calculate current. Choose OG, match connector. So how do you choose the right cable? First, estimate your maximum continuous current. For multirotors, total current max motor current number of motors. Always leave a 10-20 safety margin. For drones, always choose silicone insulated, multi-strand copper wire. Silicone wire is more flexible, lighter, vibration resistant, and can handle extreme temperatures, perfect for FPV use. This table shows the most commonly used wire gauges in FPV and UAV builds. For example, 12 OG is the gold standard for 5-inch FPV main power, while 16 OG is widely used for motor wires. Signal wires like UART or receiver power should never use thick power cables. The wire gauge must also match your connector. XT60 connectors are designed for 12 OG, while XT90 connectors usually require 10 OG or thicker. Undersized wires turn connectors into heat bottlenecks. Battery cables may look simple, but they directly affect safety, performance, and reliability. Choose the right wire, not too thin, not too thick, and your drone will thank you. For more information, please visit www.enovemberpower.com. Thanks for watching.